Hiya my friends, today I'm sharing with you an easy and quick tutorial on how to make a basic card using the Eager to Stamp sketch number 7. We'll be using soft succulent ink, the Happiness Abounds stamp set. We could be using this flower here, a small scrap piece of petal pink and some basic white. We'll also be using soft succulent as our card base and also as a mat. And we'll also be using this gorgeous paper from the Texture Chic pattern paper. So I'm Amy McElroy from eagertostamp.com, and thank you so much for subscribing to my newsletter. I hope you're enjoying the exclusive monthly tutorials, which are designed with the beginner card maker through the experienced card maker in mind. Today's card feature is going to feature that DSP, really highlighting it on your card. So first of all, we need to make our card base. So 14.8. And then we're going to score that at 10.5. We'll also need a mat, so we're going to use the soft succulent again, and we're going to cut the mat at 14.3 and 10 centimeters. Using our Texture Chic pattern paper, I'm going to cut a piece of this at 6.2 centimeters. And at 5.7 centimeters. I do like that one. And do another one again at 6.2 and then 5 centimeters. So they both have 6.2 centimeters in height. They just differ a little bit in the width. Now that we've got our two pieces of pattern paper all cut, we now need to cut a mat of 6.7 and 11 centimeters. No, sorry, 11.5. So 6.7 and 11.5. Okay, lovely. Right, we're also going to stamp our sentiment on petal pink. Okay, so this is our piece of scrap petal pink. Okay, sending many thanks. soft succulent onto the petal pink. Just trim that piece up. I'm going to make it 2 centimeters wide. Okay, and I'm also going to just make it into a banner. Now using soft succulent again onto that scrap piece of white, we are stamping this flower image. Once we've done that, if you have the dies, you can use the dies to cut the flower out, or you can fussy cut. Clean off your ink. Okay. We're also going to cut this piece of DSP from the Texture Chic pack at 13.8 by 9.5. Alright, bring all your bits back in. So we have got our label, our flower, our 2 pieces of pattern DSP and the mat that we're going to put it on, and we've also got our piece of background. Adhere this gorgeous piece of DSP to the card base layer. Love that shell pattern on the back there. Definitely one for another time. Okay, I'm going to adhere these to our mat. So again, multi-purpose glue. Okay, I might just line up my grid paper to help with my placement. So adhere this one first. Right, lovely. Our flower will be adhered high on the join. You can have a look at it and, you know, do you want it coming off? Want it to stay on? I think I want it to stay on. So about there. Okay, and this is our label. label, so I would like it to that to sit in there, and then the label, does it come from the edge or from here? Okay, I'm going to get it to come from the edge. It's also going to be foam mounted. Okay, definitely needs some card behind it. Okay, I'm going to add here. Okay. Alright, so it does look a little bit better. I'm just going to use some mini Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to decorate the inside of the card. So we need a piece of 14.3 by 10 centimeter basic white. I might just stamp in the corner. Thanks so much for watching how to do this basic Eager to Stamp sketch number 7, and I'll see you next time. Bye.